Hi Kutties, welcome back to online class. I am going to teach English for first standard. Thought for the day. Kindness brings kindness. இரக்கம் கருணை தருகிறது. Kindness brings kindness. Quotes. The future depends on what you do today. Kids, today we are going to see about months of the year. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு ஒரு வருஷத்துல எத்தனை மாதங்கள் இருக்குன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். There are 12 months in a year. 12 மாதங்கள் இருக்கு. The first month is January. 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 The second month is February. 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 The third month is March. 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 The fourth month is April. 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 The next one is May. May. What is the sixth month? It is June. 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 The seventh month is July. 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 The eighth month is August. 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 The ninth month is September. 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 10th month is October. 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 11th month is November. 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 The last month is December. 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 There are 12 months in a year. Now I am going to say the months. You have to repeat me. Be ready, kutties. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November and December. I am going to say the spelling. Listen carefully and repeat after me. January. January. February. February. March. April. May. June. July. AUGUST, August. SEPTEMBER, September. OCTOBER, October. NOVEMBER, November. DECEMBER, December. Very good, cuties. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. That's all. See, Dora is standing there. Do you like this, Dora? Let's learn months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, what's the next month? November and December. That's all. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now, you are going to study the spelling of months of the year. I am going to say the spelling of the month. Kids, you have to repeat after me. Listen carefully and repeat. JANUARY, January. JANUARY, January. FEBRUARY, February. FEBRUARY, February. MARCH, March. MARCH, March. APRIL, April. April. MAY, May. May. JUNE, June. June. JULY, July. JULY, July. AUGUST, August. AUGUST, August. SEPTEMBER, September. SEPTEMBER, September. OCTOBER, October. OCTOBER, October. NOVEMBER, November. NOVEMBER, November. DECEMBER, December. DECEMBER, December. Kids, you have to study with spelling. Don't forget to study the spelling of the month. Singular. Did you remember this, cuties? In the previous session, you learned about singular, isn't it? We just want to recall. நம்ம மிஸ் போன கிளாஸ்லயே உங்களுக்கு சிங்குலர் ப்ளூரல் நடத்தினேன் இல்லையா? உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்காடா? இன்னைக்கு அதை நம்ம ஜஸ்ட் ரீகால் பண்ண போறோம். சரியா? சிங்குலர் மீன்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஒன். When a noun shows one person, place, animal or thing, singular in number. சிங்குலர்னா ஒரே ஒரு ஆளை குறிக்கணும், ஒரே ஒரு இடத்தை குறிக்கணும், ஒரே ஒரு விலங்க குறிக்கணும், ஒரே ஒரு பொருளை குறிக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா அது சிங்குலர். ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது சிங்குலர் இல்ல. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், a boy means one boy. a boy அப்படின்னா என்னது? ஒரே ஒரு பையன். a ball means one ball. a ball அப்படின்னா என்னமா? ஒரே ஒரு பால். அப்ப இது சிங்குலரா ப்ளூரலா? கரெக்ட், இது சிங்குலர். What do you see in this picture? What's the first picture? How many boys are there? Only one boy. So it is singular. What's the next one? Can you guess? What is it? Yes, it's correct. Butterfly. See how beautiful it is? How many butterflies are there? Only one butterfly. So it is singular. See the last picture, cuties. What is it? Onion. How many onions are there? Only one onion. Is it singular or plural? Yeah, very good. Singular. Do you understand? Let's see some singular and plural. Flower. 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 Say with me. FLOWER. Flower. இது சிங்குலர். ஒரே ஒரு பூ சொல்றப்ப நம்ம ஃப்ளவர் சொல்லணும். ஃப்ளவர்ஸ். FLOWERS. ஃப்ளவர்ஸ். நிறைய பூக்களை சொல்றப்ப நம்ம ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சிங்குலரை ப்ளூரலா மாத்திரக்கு என்ன ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? எஸ் மட்டும் தான் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. சரியா குட்டீஸ்? The next one is car. C-A-R. Car. Say with me. C-A-R. Car. இதோட plural என்னன்னு பாப்போமா? Cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. Say with me. C-A-R-S. Cars. நம்ம S மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணா காரு கார்ஸா மாறிடும். சிங்குலர் ப்ளூரலா மாறிடும். Let's see some singular and plural. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Say with me. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. இது சிங்குலர். ஒரே ஒரு பூ சொல்றப்ப நம்ம ஃப்ளவர் சொல்லணும். Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. நிறைய பூக்களை சொல்றப்ப நம்ம ஃப்ளார்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சிங்குலரை ப்ளூரலா மாத்திரக்கு என்ன ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? எஸ் மட்டும் தான் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. சரியா குட்டீஸ்? The next one is car. C-A-R. Car. Say with me. C-A-R. Car. இதோட plural என்னன்னு பாப்போமா? Cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. Say with me. C-A-R-S. Cars. நம்ம S மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணா காரு கார்ஸா மாறிடும். சிங்குலர் ப்ளூரலா மாறிடும். See, how many boys are there in the first picture? Only one boy. So, it is singular. B-O-Y. Boy. The plural form of the word boy is boys. B-O-Y-S. Boys. The next one is pen. Say the plural form of the word pen. Yeah, it's correct. Pens. We have to add S to the singular noun. S மட்டும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா ப்ளூரலா மாறிடும். சரியா? The next one is bee. B-E-E. Bee. The plural form of the word bee, bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. இதோட plural balls. B-A-L-L-S. Balls. ஒன்னே ஒன்று மட்டும் இருந்தா அது சிங்குலர். எஸ் சேர்த்தி வந்திருந்தாவே அது ப்ளூரல். அதுல நிறைய இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? Let's see some singular and plural. See, how many cats are there in the first picture? Only one cat. So it is singular. Isn't it? See the next picture. Squirrels. Count it and say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squirrels. So it is plural. See the third one. How many rats are there? Count it and say 1, 2, 3. 3 rats are there. So it is plural. How many frogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs are there. See the last one. How many dogs are there? Count it and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs are there. So it is plural. Do you understand? Kids, take the page number 88. Have you taken? Valli and Chittu walk along the farm. They see 1 sun, 4 birds, 3 clouds, 2 kites, 5 bees, 2 squirrels, 1 cat, 5 dogs, 4 frogs, 3 rats. Valli and Chittu walk along the farm. They are in the farm. Did you see the farm, kids? What other things have you seen in the farm? Tell me. Tell me one by one. Tree, flower, plant, birds, etc. Valli and Chittu flying the kites. Birds are sitting on the branches of the trees. What are these? These are birds. How many birds are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are sitting on the tree. Isn't it? 4. B-I-R-D-S. 4 birds. Say after me. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. What is this? This is the sun. Only one sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. What are these? These are clouds. How many clouds are there? See this picture? Count it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 clouds are there. Valli and Chittu flying the kites. How many kites are there? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Repeat with me. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Bees are flying and sucking honey from the flower. Isn't it? How many bees are there? Let's count and say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bees are there. B-E-E-S. Bees. Say it again. B-E-E-S. Bees. Come to the page number 89. They also see 2 squirrels, 1 cat, 5 dogs, 4 frogs, 3 rats. Two squirrels are sitting on the tree. TWO2 SQUIRRELS. 2 squirrels. Say it again. TWO2 SQUIRRELS. 2 squirrels. 1 cat is also sitting there. isn't it? O-N-E, one. C-A-T, cat. One cat. Say after me. O-N-E, one. C-A-T, cat. See, how many dogs are there, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs are there. F-I-V-E, 5. D-O-G-S, dogs. 5 dogs are there. Say after me. F-I-V-E, 5. D-O-G-S, dogs. 5 dogs. How many frogs are there? Let's count and say. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs are there. 4 frogs are sitting on the rocks. F-O-U-R, 4. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. 4 frogs are sitting on the rocks. Come to the last one. How many rats are there? 3 rats. T-H-R-E-E, 3. R-A-T-S, rats. 3 rats. Repeat it again. T-H-R-E-E, 3. R-A-T-S, rats. That's good.
Hey, sweetie, look there. The sun. One sun. Hey, 2 kites. Fluffy clouds. Oh, yes. 3 clouds. Wow. 4 birds. So cute. Look at those 5 bees. Sweetie, see there, a cat. 1 cat. Wow, 2 squirrels. Sweetie, see those 3 rats. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. Look there, sweetie. 5 dogs. Oh, yes, Mulai. It's getting late. Come, let's move. Okay, bye, friends. Take a walk with your friend.
Do you like rhymes? Let's say this rhyme. Ant had a nap on the tap. Tap, tap, tap. Ant had a nap on the pan. Pan, pan, pan. Ant had a nap on the tap. Tap, tap, tap. Ant had a nap on the pan. Pan, pan, pan. Ant had a nap on the tap. Tap, tap, tap. Ant had a nap on the pan. Pan, pan, pan. Do you like this rhyme? Shall we sing it again? Ant had a nap on the tap. Tap, tap, tap. Ant had a nap on the pan. Pan, pan, pan. Excellent. Listen to the sound and repeat. Letter A, the first letter in the English alphabet. We have 26. Now we have the first letter as A. That is A. Say it again. This is the sound of A. Letter A, you say it as A. A. Shall we sing a song? To remember the sound A. A. You need something to remember. Let's think of ant in your hand. on my arm. Ah, ah, ah. Ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ah. When the ants bite, you will make ah. You remember the sound of the first letter is ah. Ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ah. Ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ah. உங்க கையில எறும்பு ஊறிச்சுன்னா நீங்க என்ன சத்தம் போடுவீங்க? அ அ அப்படி போடுவோம்ல, அந்த சவுண்ட் தான் ஏவோட சவுண்ட். We go on to the next letter T. T is a very easy letter. T. The sound of the letter T is very easy to remember. Ta 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 ta. Listen and repeat. Ta. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So the sound is ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So the sound is ta 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 ta. The sound of the T is ta 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 ta. Say it again. Ta 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 ta. The next letter is P. Put your lips together. Say together. Pa pa. When you blow out of the candle, how will you do? Pa pa. Put your finger on your lips and say pa pa. Kids, உங்களோட ஒரு ஃபிங்கர் எடுத்து உங்க மவுத்துக்கு பக்கத்துல வச்சு நல்லா வாயை டைட்டா மூடிட்டு நீங்க இப்ப வந்து ப ப ஒரு கேண்டில ஊதி அணைக்கிறப்ப என்ன சவுண்ட் வருமோ அதை மேக் பண்ண போறோம். சரியா? Get ready. ஃபிங்கர் வச்சுக்கோங்க வாய்க்கிட்ட வச்சுட்டு ஒரு கேண்டில் நம்ம பக்கத்துல இருக்குன்னு நினைச்சிட்டு அதை ஆஃப் பண்றப்ப எப்படி மேக் பண்ணுவோம் சவுண்ட், அந்த சவுண்ட் தான் பீயோட சவுண்ட். ப ப ப ப ப ப. This is the sound of P. ப ப. Say it again. ப ப ப. The next interesting sound is N. Would you please? In. The sound of N. Say it. In. Stretch your hand out. கையை நல்லா நீட்டுங்க. You just imagine you are the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane sound. Making lot of noise. This is the sound of N. The sound of the letter N is Remember the letter என்னோட சவுண்ட் எப்படிப்பா சொல்லணும்? இங்க சொல்லுங்க. இப்படிதான் நம்ம சொல்லணும். இப்போ ஏனா நீங்க எப்படி சொல்லணும்? அ. டீனா ட. பீனா ப. என்னா இன். இதுதான் சவுண்ட். ஏனா அ. பீனா ட. பீனா ப. என்னா இன். இதெல்லாம் தான் இந்த லெட்டர்ஸோட சவுண்ட்ஸ். Now we are going to see about some words. Word wall. A-N, ant. Say it again. A-N, ant. A-T, at. A-T, at. P-A-T, pat. Say after me. P-A-T, pat. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. T-A-P, tap. Say with me. T-A-P, tap. N-A-P, nap. N-A-P, nap. T-A-N, tan. T-A-N, tan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. You have to study the spelling of these words. Look at these pictures. A as in ant. A-N-T, ant. What is the sound of the letter A? A, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A as in axe. A-X-E, axe. Look at these pictures. T as in top. T-O-P, top. T as in tap. T-A-P, tap. T எப்படிப்பா சொல்லணும்? T. T-E-N-T, tent. P as in pen. P-E-N, pen. P as in pot. P-O-T, pot. P as in pan. P-A-N, pan. P oda sound enna? P. Make it P. Say it again. P. This is the sound of P. In as in nut. N-U-T, nut. N as in nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N as in net. N-E-T, net. What's the sound of letter N? Make it This is the sound of N. Playtime for you, kutties. Get ready. When I say the letter, you have to make the sound of that letter. மிஸ் இப்போ ஒரு லெட்டர் சொல்லுவேன். அந்த லெட்டரை நீங்க எப்படி சொல்லணும்னு இப்ப நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்ல, அதே மாதிரி நீங்க சவுண்ட் மேக் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? N, P, A, T. That's good. Excellent. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. A, T, T, P, P, N, N. Now, we are going to read some sentences. Let's read. It is an ant. Say it again. It is an ant. The next sentence is, it is a tap. It is a tap. It is a pan. It is a pan. It is a top. It is a top. It is a part. It is a part. It is a nut. It is a nut. Say after me. It is an ant. It is a tap. It is a pan. It is a top. It is a part. It is a nut. That's good. Creative corner. Make an ant using color paper and enjoy. கலர் பேப்பர் யூஸ் பண்ணி அதை நல்லா இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப்பில் கட் பண்ணி ஆண்ட் மாதிரி ஒரு ஒயிட் ஷீட்டில் நீங்கள் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா? நமக்கு ஆண்ட் கிடைச்சிரும். கண்டிப்பாக செஞ்சு பாருங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். சரியா? This is your assignment. Study and write the words in word wall in your note. Complete the book exercise in lesson 1. Thank you, Kutties. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next class.